Good morning, class. So we're going in the kitchen today. All right. It's time to do a lesson that has to do with cooking. All right. So I'm gonna cook with these. Right. We got to get in the groove for cooking. First thing I got to do is wash my hands. Right, so this is washing my hands over here. So we take that. We dry our hands. Got the kitchen cloth right here. All right. Get ready for that. All right, I'm gonna put on. I'm gonna get in my cooking groove right here. Be a kitchen warrior, right? Here we go. So I'm ready for the battle now. Well, not necessarily a battle, but up in my energy, up in my game. I'm the hip hop chef. Come on with it. Won't you come on with it? Won't you come on with it then? All right. So I'm gonna wash my hands again because I just touched. It's a wrap. So here we go. That's how it is in the kitchen. All right. So you gotta have clean hands. So that's two right there. Dry my hands. Here we go. So we're gonna make crepes today. All right. Bonjour. Comment ça va? Ça va bien? Est-ce que tu parles français? All right. So we know that crepes come from France. All right. And I want you to research that today. So we take half a cup of flour, which I put already in this bowl. We're gonna take actually I'm gonna do mine with coconut milk. So I'll take a half a cup of coconut milk, half a cup of water that I have right here. Okay, I'm gonna take a pinch of kosher salt, right? And then I have my 2 tablespoons of melted butter right there, all ready to go. All right, so here we go. We're gonna see how these crepes come out. Also, there's 2 eggs that I cracked. All right, that goes into the mix with the crepes. Okay, so I have all the ingredients in the bowl. I have my whisk, and then I whisk it so there isn't any lumps in the crepe batter. So you see, you have to have the right kind of tools in the kitchen as well. So I had a whisk for the batter, and then I'm gonna pour the crepe batter in the pans here. And I have 2. And then I have 2 kinds of spatulas, all right, to get the crepes. Okay, and then you just pour the crepe batter into the pan. And you can hear that hissing sound. All right, so give you a look see at that. Let's see if it'll flip over. Yeah, there you go. Take a look at that. That's my crepe batter there in 2 different places. Okay, now I'm gonna try to flip it. There you go. The first one. This one is gonna be harder because it's not as. There you go. Ooh, here we go. Ooh, got it. That one's brown, and this one isn't yet. I don't know why. They're on the same heat. Maybe because it's a smaller pan. That could be something for science right there. Smaller pan gets hotter. Okay, so there's the crepe, right out of the pan. And I have this blood orange compote, right, from the backyard. Look at that. Wow. And then we're just going to pour that. I'm telling you, I guarantee, right? So not only does it look good, but it tastes so good. And that's the number one thing, that it tastes good when it comes to food. I'm in the camp that it gotta taste good, right? It can look good, and that's good, and I like that. But it better taste good, because if it looks good and it doesn't taste good, what's the point? All right. So I'm improvising a lesson today on research, and we're dealing with food. I thought that would be a fun way to do it. We're also going to look at what is the origins of soy sauce. All right, so that's going to be in the lesson today. We also have injera, so I'll give you the correct spelling and you'll research that. And what are the origins of the tortilla? All right, good morning. Let's have a great and wonderful day. Class, awesome.